Colleen. I'll just read it out. It's about a mortgage. Can you talk about the pros and cons of a HELOC? HELOC is a home equity line of credit. It's just a abbreviated version compared to a regular loan or line of credit. My bank has mentioned that if I require a loan in the future, that this is the best option. I'm wary of tying a loan to my house despite the low interest rate, especially since I'm nearly mortgage free. Any advice would be appreciated. She mentions in another post after that that it's going to be used for home renos, hoping to increase the property value. So as a general rule, Colleen, as a general rule, or anybody, if you're going to borrow money, you want to borrow it at the cheapest rate possible. I discourage borrowing money in general and paying interest, because all you're doing is you're lining credit card companies or bank's pocket with gold. If you have the means to set aside the money every month and just raise the amount that you need to do something like a reno, for example, if you want to put a pool in the house, one way to do it is to borrow against the home and pay a low interest rate and put the pool in the backyard, or you could save up the money over a few years and put the pool in later. Not everybody works with delayed gratification. I get some people might have kids that are around the age and they don't want to wait 6 years to save up the money, so you got to weigh it out. But generally speaking, if you're going to borrow money, always do it at the cheapest rate possible. A HELOC, a home equity line of credit, will always be way less than an unsecured loan. I'm not sure what the rates are, but you're probably talking around 2-3% if it's variable on today's rates, if it's secured against a home as a first mortgage. If you went unsecured and went on a personal loan, you might pay as much as 6, 8, 9, 10%, depending on your credit worthiness and your cash flow. So I hope that helps. Decision you'd have to make on timing, whether you need to save the money up and pay for it later, or if a home equity line of credit makes sense to you. Either way, borrow at the cheapest rate possible. Talk to you later. Ciao.